Hey, what's going on, guys? John the Video Guy here, and today, ironically, I won't be talking about video, but the best free graphic design resources that I've found throughout my career. Let's get started. So the first one I found is Diffent. This is a great font website where you can view and browse several different fonts and download them for your projects. Now, if we look at the website here, you can see that at thefont.com you have a lot of different categories that you can find different types of fonts, such as by style or by script, handwritten, a lot of different things. So if you wanted to see sans serif, you can easily click on it and then scroll through. And what's also nice about this website is that you can preview your text. So if you wanted to see how your text was going to look like, you can also see if it's case sensitive or not case sensitive. Okay, let's move on to number 2. The second one is a free stock photo website, which I found very helpful. It's called Unsplash. You can see them at unsplash.com. Let's take a look. So at Unsplash, you can search by keywords, and these photographers upload their photos for free for use, and you can easily use them in your project. So such as if you're looking for a city at night skyline, you can easily find a photo and use it. Click on a photo you think you want to use and then click the download free button. Okay, let's move on to number 3. This is a free online photo editor. It's called Pixlr. And in this is a good Photoshop alternate if you don't have the money to buy Photoshop or to have the monthly license for Photoshop. Let's take a look. So on the website, there's 2 different types of photo editors. Let's go to advanced. And you'll see the interface is a lot like Photoshop. So if you want to create a new item, you can click there. You can name it. You can also pick from different templates. You can also choose your width or height, and you can click create. And you can see the tools are to the left, your layers are to the right, your options are up above. So it works very similarly to Photoshop, where you have a canvas in the middle that you can add and create different things in. And then you can save your project by going to File, Save. So like I said, it's very similar to Photoshop. So this is a good way if you're on a budget and you want to still make awesome graphics or photos. This is a good alternate. All right, let's move on to the last one, and this is my favorite one. I don't know what I would do without it. It's called FreePick. And this is a great website for free graphic elements. You can download elements such as icons, symbols, patterns, photos, EPS or AI template files. There's just a lot of stuff on this website. So let's take a look. So when you get here, you can search by keywords. So say if you're looking for something here, such as patterns. I highly recommend this website for patterns and textures and stuff. You can easily manipulate them, the colors and different things in the projects. And what you'll want to do once you type it in, when you go to all resources here, you want to make sure you click on free. You can also distinguish if you're just looking for vectors, photos, PSD or icons as well. That way it will narrow out just the free stuff. So to download something, click on it, and then to the right, click download. Now, it's also important to realize here that on FreePick, you're limited to only, I think 6 or 7 downloads without having an account, but you can also create an account for free, absolutely free, and you have unlimited downloads. So that's a good tip if you plan to download a lot of different graphic stuff from this website. So that's it for the top graphic design resources. I hope you found this video useful and entertaining. Feel free to like it and comment below, and we'll see you next time.